Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche. Excuse my voice. I had a lot of coughing that I did this weekend. Got a cold on Friday. And yeah, it followed me. But good thing is, I'm back in the shop. Partly. I've been here all day, but I don't think I'm going to make it all the way till 7 like I normally do. But got some tackle in. And we're going to go ahead and get this checked out. We got this one and another one over here behind me.
I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
This one I'm really interested in because this was something that a few years ago caused a big ruckus. And just making sure it is what I think it is. Nope, it's not. I was hoping it was. But y'all just gonna have to wait to find out on that shipment because that one's gonna be really interesting. I think a lot of people are gonna be really looking forward to that video. But what it is, I can't tell you. I can't tell you just yet. It's coming though. Stay tuned. These are reels that were sent in for customers to have parts done, fixed. And this one's actually a team reel. Just to give you an idea. As the customers are all nice and pretty. This is our gear. We beat it up pretty bad there, so. But it shows you we use our gear. We don't just hear it works. We know it works. Yeah. Yeah. See. It's a little rough. Good to go. Alright. Now I'll get back into gear. And yeah, there's a handle, there's this. Alright, so that's one of them. Second one is Legend Poppy Quartz. Came by the shop. This is a few of them. We got more of their new color here. The deal with these two, they also elongated them. From their old version, these are actually a little bit longer than the original ones that they had on there. Also, too, the parts are made, the way they attached them, they used a high vibration, which melted them again, so it's a solid one piece. And that was something that originally, when the first came out a long time ago, the piece actually came apart on a couple of fish, you know. So they had been looking for a new, more powerful way to adhere it without using any kind of epoxy or anything. So now, with that in mind, you don't have to worry about that anymore, which is great for us because of our customers. That was one of the first things I addressed, and you can check out our videos before. We addressed it then because it never happened to us. It was just a story that we heard, and because we heard that story, we addressed it with him as soon as he walked in. Like, how can we sell gear, you know, if it's going to have this problem? So they had already started doing it. I'm just reminding you that that has been done and stuff like that. So we are looking forward to a lot of that. Also, too, our 20,000 subscriber mark is on the verge. It's coming. Hold on, real quick. Let me show you. Get something. All right, so that's our analytics right there. We're at 3,500% growth. We've got 2.6 million views in the last 28 days. And one of our other videos passed up the original video that had 1 million views, but this one is at 1.7 million views and still clocking it away. This one is about the gentleman that had hooked up a big drum on his light tackle gear. We say light tackle because compared to the gear that we use, I mean, in no way, shape, or form is that light tackle for us. So, what he was using, we consider light. And so, again, guys, everybody else, oh man, that's medium to heavy and this and that. No. What we're using is medium to heavy. And then we got the extra heavy, which is off in the corner over here and stuff like that. So again, guys, I'm super stoked with the amount of growth we've been having. With our sponsors as well for the 20K giveaway, make sure you keep putting it out there. You know, the hashtag Big Fish Consulting, Gator Lures, Tackle Industries, Vex and Rods, Cortland Braid, our biggest one. I'm looking right at it. Sorry guys, I'm still not at 100% yet, but I am getting there. And obviously, Hard Life's Bait and Tackle. Here at Team Hard Life, we're all about sharing knowledge and helping each other out. With that being said, we have built up a knowledge base for everything that we do here in the shop, whether we're testing or we're going out and proving it and destroying it. I mean, there's plenty of times y'all seen us destroy our own gear. Well, that's for a reason. We want to ensure that our gear is at the top of its game. So without being able to go out there and test it, then how we would know? Obviously, we got to get out there and do it. So that means I got to get out some more fishing, try out new things, and so forth. So I'm looking very forward to that. Also, too, I got a pretty interesting storytelling Thursday coming up. I'll be talking about my new thumbnail. There's been one sub who's commented on it and addressed it. So, you know, kudos to him. It was on there for a few days and stuff like that. And he noticed, hey, man, new thumbnail there? I was like, yup. He thought he was slow that he finally caught it. And I was like, no, actually, you're the first person to notice. Ooh, man. So again, guys, the other thing too, we've been growing anywhere from 110 to 150 new subs a day. At this pace, we will have probably about a week or so with clearance to get to our 20K giveaway, so that way we can get the 4 extra spots for the land-based shark fishing trip with Team Real Locos and Team Hard Life. Yes, we have lost a few members, you know, with everything going on, which is fine. It's not something that we're new to. At one time, we had up to 15 members, and we dwindled down to about 3, and then we worked our way up and worked our way down. You know, life has its way of working things on. You know, people moving to different counties and stuff like that in search of better money and stuff like that. So it is what it is, guys. You know, it's never going to stop me. Team Hard Life is one of the oldest names here in Corpus as for fishing teams. There's one other team that I know of that started theirs. And with all that being said, you know, we're all about sharing the knowledge, helping each other out, and other fishermen. Now, obviously, we're at a point in our lives where, actually, it's been going on ever since I was a fisherman on Bob Hall Pier and just caught my first, you know, 9-foot shark, and then I jumped to my 12-footer. Man, the hate rolled in. Oh man, it rolled in so bad. People knew who I was and were telling stories of me, and I didn't even know who they were. Never met them before, but I was hearing these stories, so you know, a lot of times they would question me, hey, is this real, is this real? It's like, no, actually that one is, this one's not. And a lot of times you just gotta go to the man himself and ask him, hey man, what's going on, or this and that. Not afraid of answering questions, guys, never have been. And if you got any questions, you can always come to us. Come to me, ask me, what's up? We can do this. So, again here, guys, at Hard Life, our business is about our customers. Without our customers, we wouldn't be able to keep our lights on, gear coming in, you know, being able to feed our families at the end of the day. So I am responsible to our customers because they're the ones that keep our ability to keep doing what we're doing. Our subscribers are the same way. Y'all keep commenting on the channel, being proactive, and every now and then, y'all know, y'all make sales through the shop and everything, and that keeps us going, guys. Our subscribers that comment with our sponsors, they see that too because they are also subscribers on the channel, and they are also watching what happens with the channel, who says what and stuff like that. And it helps. It really does help to show that, you know, their contributions to the channel are being noticed and are being grateful and, you know, thankful for it. So whatever they send to us, we turn around and give to y'all because that's what it's there for, guys. You know, y'all's hard work pays off. So the more y'all do, the more we can get and the more we can give away. And again, guys, like, these giveaways now are just the start of what I want to do. I mean, I've got big plans for when we hit our 50,000, say 100,000. Got big plans, but it starts with these small ones. So, and even then, these small ones are pretty big. I mean, you know, 4 MXL Raptors, 4 Team Hard Life rods, 4 spools of braid. That's about $5,000 worth of tackle right there, with all of that being said. So again, guys, a lot of that is mainly because of our sponsors coming in and doing what they're doing. And, you know, so a little shout out to them. Go back through as many videos as you can, guys, because that comment, you know, with our sponsors, the 20K giveaway, or, you know, 2nd million viewed video, all of that is what I'm looking for when I'm going to start doing my comment selection. So when that happens, I'm not just going to pick every single comment that does it and it's a vote. No, if you look back through our other ones, we'll select a number, and every 10 or every 15 or some oddball number, it's whatever comes up that day. So it will behoove you to do multiple comments back to back, you know, on everybody's comment within each video. I've got a ton of videos, guys, so there's a ton of ways to enter. And like I said, by you doing your homework and due diligence of commenting on as many videos as you can, it's only going to increase your chances to win, because like I said, it's not going to be, if you know my giveaways, I don't just select the first 10 names that come up. I usually select, you know, 20 names, whatever, with 10 votes across. So it's going to take more than just one time, guys. So that's just food for thought for y'all. Got a lot of videos, got a lot of input coming, got a lot of love. And like I said, I'm just humbled by the amount of growth that we're having. And definitely, it's just making me want to work harder for y'all to find more knowledge, to bring more tackle in. So stay tuned for that, because some big things are coming, guys. And I'm truly excited, but I'm just going to let y'all just sit there and simmer on this, because some huge things are coming. I'm really excited, and where this is going to go, it's going to lead to many more doors open, many more sponsorships coming available, which means by the time we get to 50K or 100K in subs, that those prizes will be that much bigger. Yes, stay tuned, it's coming.